English together.
My day. It is a sunny day. I wake up at 8 a.m. I eat cereal for breakfast. My school is near my home. I do not go to school by bus. I go to school on foot. I like to go to school. I like asking questions. I have lunch at school. I usually eat a sandwich and an apple for my lunch. After school, I play outside. I like to play hide and seek with my friends. I take shower when I'm back home. Then I do my homework. My mother always cooks soup for dinner. The soup is delicious. I read storybook after dinner. Then I go to bed. This is my day.
Remember to like, share and subscribe our channel.